नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम नए पाठ को शुरू करेंगे, अनोखा उपहार। नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अनोखा? अनोखा means something special or something unique or different. Upahar is the gift. Now children, when do we receive the gift from somebody? Either your birthday or somebody's marriage, we give. Here is a story about a small boy. एक छोटा बच्चा है जो अपने मित्र को एक उपहार देना चाहता है, लेकिन ये लड़का बहुत गरीब रहता है, इसके पास पैसा नहीं है। वो उसे क्या उपहार दे ये सोच में उदास हो जाता है। तो बच्चों, इस पाठ में यह बताया है कि उपहार का कीमती होना इतना आवश्यक नहीं है। देने वाले की भावनाएं जो उस उपहार के साथ जुड़ी होती है वे अधिक महत्वपूर्ण होती है। तो बच्चों, आओ इस पाठ को हम शुरू करें। अनोखा उपहार। शुक्रवार को अनुपम पाठशाला से घर आया और बिस्तर पर लेट गया। शुक्रवार इज व्हाट? फ्राइडे। पाठशाला इज स्कूल, बिस्तर इज बेड, लेट गया मीन्स ही स्लेप्ट। वह बहुत उदास था। उदास माने सैड। So on Friday, Anupam came back from school and he went to his room and he slept on his bed. वह बहुत उदास था means he was very sad. After coming from school, he was very sad. So he went to his room and he slept. माँ ने आवाज लगाई, अनुपम आज खाना नहीं खाना क्या? भीतर आओ, खाना ठंडा हो रहा है। So mother is calling the child. Mother is calling Anupam and she's asking why you don't want to eat your food today. Get inside and eat your food, otherwise it will become cold. So mother is calling her son because every day he must be eating his food, but today he didn't eat. So the mother is asking him why you don't want to eat your food today. Okay. Anupam बेमन से खाना खाने लगा. He was not happy. He was not willing to eat his food. Okay, he was very sad. माँ के बहुत पूछने पर बोला, माँ रविवार को राघव का जन्मदिन है. Okay, mother insisted him, what happened to you? Why you are so sad? So the child says, Ma, my friend Raghav, his birthday is on Sunday. Janamdin means birthday. Okay. ने हमें अपने घर बुलाया है. He has invited me for the birthday party. माँ, सब दोस्त उसे कीमती उपहार देने की बात कर रहे थे. So he's saying my friends were saying that they are going to buy some gifts for him, some expensive gifts for him. So मैं उसे क्या दूँ? मेरे पास तो. Now he is asking his mother, what should I give? And I don't have money. मेरे पास तो means he doesn't have money. Okay, so that is why he was very sad. Kimti means expensive. Okay, children. यह सुनकर माँ की आंखों में आंसू भर आए. So as she heard of her son's problem, she felt very bad because the child said, I don't have money to buy gifts for him. So for that she felt very bad and the tears came from her eyes. वह कुछ क्षण तक बिल्कुल चुप रही. For some moment she stood silently. She didn't speak a word. फिर प्यार से बोली, अनुपम तुमने अपने घर में लगे पौधे देखे हैं ना? So she's asking her son, you must have seen in our garden many plants are there. Many plants are there. The flower plants will be there or some other show plants will be there. So they have some plants in their garden. क्यारी में चमेली के कई पौधे फूट आए. क्यारी means pot. Okay. So she's saying in our pot we have jasmine plant. So कई पौधे फूट आए means new plants also have come out. कुछ में तो कलियां भी निकल आई है. In some of the plants the flower buds have come. क्यों ना इन्हीं में से एक दो पौधे राघव को दे दें. Why can't we give from those plants to Raghav? Why can't shall we give him from the jasmine plant? Shall we give him 2 plants for him? मेरे पास 2 नए गमले भी है. I have 2 new flower pots. राघव तो तुम्हारा अच्छा दोस्त है, ही इज वन ऑफ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, सो we will give him the jasmine plant. We'll put in the flower pot and we'll give. So that's what the mother tells to the child. अनुपम खुश होकर बोला, ठीक है माँ, मैं अभी चमेली के पौधे ले आता हूँ. So the boy becomes happy and he says, okay, I'll get those chameli plants. माँ ने एक नया गमला लिया. What did the mother do? She took a new flower pot. उस पर फूल पत्ते बनाए. She made the design of flowers and leaves. अनुपम अपने रंग ले आया. What did the child do? He bought his colors. उसने फूल पत्तों में रंग भर दिए. The child colored it. Okay. What the mummy made the design? He colored it. He put the colors inside those flowers and in the leaves. गमला बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा था. The flower pot was looking beautiful. Okay, after you paint, what happened? The look will change. When you do some designs or when you paint them, it looks more beautiful. So that is how the pot was looking. It was looking very beautiful. माँ ने चमेली के एक दो माँ ने चमेली के दो पौधे निकाले. What did the mother do? She removed the two jasmine plant which her son had bought. गमले में मिट्टी भरी. She filled the soil into it. दोनों पौधे गमले में लगाकर थोड़ा सा पानी डाल दिया. What did the mother do? She put the plant inside it and she poured the water so that the plant be alive. It should have a life. If you don't put the water, what will happen? The soil will be dry and the plants also will be dry. Then they will die. So for that we have to put water so that the plants grow very nicely. चमेली की पीली पीली कलियां नन्हे पौधों से झांक रही थी. What was the color of that jasmine? It was the yellow color, and that flower was peeping out from the plant. Okay. गमला बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था. The pot was looking beautiful. When the flowers come on the plant, what happened? It looks beautiful. Okay. रविवार को अनुपम राघव के घर पहुंचा. राघव का घर सजा हुआ था और रंग बिरंगी रोशनी से जगमगा रहा था. So on Sunday, Anupam went to Raghav's house. Why he went? Because it was his birthday. राघव का घर सजा हुआ था. His house was beautifully decorated with the balloons, with the lightnings, with the papers. So it was beautifully decorated. So his house was looking very beautiful. जगमगा रहा था means it was glittering. वहाँ बहुत से अतिथि आए हुए थे. Many guests were called for his birthday party. राघव सबसे बातचीत करने में व्यस्त था. He was busy talking with the guests. पर बार बार दरवाजे की तरफ भी देख रहा था. At a time he was also looking at the door. वह किसी की आने की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा था. He was waiting for somebody, so he was always peeping at the door. He was always waiting. He was watching somebody. Okay, he was waiting, eagerly waiting for somebody. सभी मित्र एक साथ बैठे हुए थे. All his friends were sitting together. अनुपम को आते हुए देखकर राघव बहुत खुश हुआ और बोला, अरे तुमने तो बहुत देर कर दी. He became happy when he saw Anupam. He became because he was his best friend. So he was happy to see him. And he asked him, why you are late? From long time we were waiting for you. Pratiksha means waiting. Okay. अनुपम ने मेज पर रखे उपहारों के डिब्बे देखे और धीरे से अपने हाथ आगे बढ़ा दिए. So as he saw the gifts were kept on the table, उपहारों के डिब्बे means the gift box were kept on the table. So Anupam, he puts his hand forward. What gift he bought, he gives it to him. फिर प्यार से बोला, जन्मदिन की बधाई मेरे अच्छे दोस्त, बहुत बहुत बधाई. As you wish, when you go to some birthday party, what we do, we first wish the birthday boy or birthday girl and then we give the gift. So same way Anupam wishes him for his birthday and he gives his gift to him. Raghav ने गमला पकड़ा. What did Raghav do? He took his pot. What he bought, that he took in his hand. उसने इधर उधर घुमाया और बोला, कितना प्यारा पौधा लाए हो तुम. He turns that pot and he sees the work what is done on that pot. He likes it. He turns and he says, see, very beautiful plant you have given. It's a very beautiful plant. The Raghav tells to Anupam. इसमें तो फूल भी निकल आए. In this plant the flowers also are there. Flowers also have come out. ऐसा अनोखा उपहार तो मुझे कभी किसी ने नहीं दिया. Till today nobody has given me such a beautiful gift. It's very unique and special for me. Anupam मुस्कुराया. Anupam felt very happy because his friend liked it. So he became very happy. उसे लगा चमेली के फूल भी मुस्कुरा रहे हैं. Even he felt that the flower is smiling on him. Okay. कठिन शब्द को पढ़ते हैं. शुक्रवार, पाठशाला, बिस्तर, जन्मदिन, आँखों, चमेली, कलियां, राघव, मिट्टी, रंग बिरंगी, अतिथि, प्रतीक्षा, डिब्बे, मुस्कुराया. तो बच्चों इसे आपको रफ बुक में 3 बार लिखना है. लेट्स रीड द मीनिंग्स. बेमन से माने बिना इच्छा के, अनविलिंगली. कीमती माने महंगा, एक्सपेंसिव. उपहार, भेंट, प्रेजेंट. क्षण, पल, थोड़ी देर, फ्यू मोमेंट्स. अतिथि, मेहमान, गेस्ट. व्यस्त, काम में लगा हुआ, बिजी. प्रतीक्षा, इंतजार, वेट. अनोखा, अद्भुत. अनयूजुअल, यूनिक. ओके. आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. पौधे देने की बात से अनुपम क्यों खुश हुआ? अनुपम अपने मित्र को एक उपहार देना चाहता था. जब माँ ने पौधे देने की बात कही तो उसे यह एक अनोखा उपहार लगा, इसलिए वह खुश हुआ. गमला कैसे सुंदर बना? गमले पर माँ ने सुंदर फूल पत्ते बनाए. अनुपम ने उसमें रंग भर दिया. इससे गमला सुंदर दिखने लगा. गमले में कौन से पौधे लगाए गए? गमले में चमेली के पौधे लगाए गए. अनुपम क्यों उदास था? अनुपम को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वह अपने प्रिय मित्र के जन्मदिन पर उसे क्या उपहार दे, इसीलिए वह उदास था. माँ ने उसे क्या सलाह दी? माँ ने उसे सलाह दी कि वह चमेली के पौधे एक गमले में लगाकर अपने मित्र को उपहार में दे. माँ ने अनुपम को क्या मदद की? माँ ने एक नया गमला लिया, उस पर फूल पत्ते बनाए और गमले में चमेली के 2 पौधे लगाकर उसमें थोड़ा सा पानी भी डाला. राघव को अनुपम का उपहार कैसे लगा? राघव को अनुपम का उपहार बहुत प्यारा लगा. वह बोला, ऐसा अनोखा उपहार तो मुझे कभी किसी ने नहीं दिया. तो बच्चों ये आपको प्रश्नोत्तर आपके नोटबुक में लिखना है, मीनिंग्स को भी लिखना है और जो कठिन शब्द है वो रफ बुक में आपको 3 बार लिखना है. धन्यवाद.